3 of them went out, so I kind of struggled with getting them back up and running, and after a while I figured out how to do it, so I'll show you guys here really quick. So I'll go ahead and turn off the lights. I went ahead and I bought 4 replacement bulbs. I'll just go ahead and switch all of them out. Alright, so I went ahead and I pulled one out. I'm not sure if it's bad or not to touch them with my fingers, but I'm sure it can't be that bad to touch them. Alright, so up close with the lamp here, what we'll do is we'll just pull it down like that. And then in here, there's the little light bulb. And you can't really see it there, but there's no way they could pull it out. There's like 4 different wires that hold it together. So what you do is you just put your hand in there and you hold it around the light. You just pull down, and then this little piece comes off here. This little piece comes off here. There's glass right there. You could take it out and clean it if you want. And then here's the light bulb, which you just pull down, and there it comes out. Once we have the old one out, we'll go ahead and put the new one in. Make sure it's in there tight, and then we'll just push it back through the hole where it came from. And we got this little guy here that will go ahead and put it over the light. It's not too easy to do this with one hand, but alright, then we just push it back in. Alright, and once that's back in, just go ahead and bend this guy back up, push that in. It just snaps right back in. Now to test if it works. Aha, it works. It is actually brighter than the old one. I'm thinking that's because I got the 50 watt right there, and that's the 20 watt. So I'll quickly go through one more just to show you guys. So you got your new light bulb right there. Get this guy, just pull him down. That hangs down on one of those springs. Just reach your hand in there. This one's stuck in there, so we'll give it a nice tug. This piece comes right out. The glass is still pretty clean, so we'll leave it untouched. And then just pull down on this lamp. Pretty sure that's not the electrical procedure just to pull down on a lamp with wires, but they're not really secured in there. They're not holding tight. And then there's your little connector right here. You just poke this fork in the connector. Once you got it poked in, you're gonna go back to this guy right here. Make sure the glass is in there tightly. I go ahead and I put those 2 little forks on the back, and then just snap this front one in. That seems to be the easiest way to do it. And once you got that, make sure it's on there snug. And pop it into the hole where it came from. Now let's see if this one works. Yep, does work. Perfect. So we got one more to take care of and we'll be good. Hope this video was informative, and if you have any other questions, let me know.